We just passed 50 patrons on Patreon, and to celebrate, I made you a special video about sand dunes. I absolutely love dunes. So in this video, I'm sharing 5 of my favorite activities to do when exploring a sand dune. The first is sledding. Sometimes, snow sleds work pretty well in the sand. And sometimes they don't. A little push or running start is definitely helpful. You can buy special sleds for sand that have less friction and go a lot faster, but regular snow sleds are plenty of fun too. And just like making snow angels in the snow, you can make sand angels too. Just be ready to take a bath when you're done. My second favorite thing about dunes is sunset. The way that the light changes on a dune just before the sun goes down is magical. If you're on a dune that doesn't get very much foot traffic, the patterns that the wind makes will become incredibly distinct. And it makes the entire dune look like a work of art. In the moments before the sun sets, the dune glows with warm light and the colors change in an amazing way. It's a beautiful sight. Don't let the lack of plants on a dune fool you. Dunes are full of life. The dunes in the Mojave Desert have lizards, kit foxes, beetles, and birds. You won't often see these animals during the day, but it's fantastic fun to discover their footprints and tracks. And the plants on the dune can form beautiful natural art where the wind creates circular patterns. Our next favorite activity is something we call magic blast pitchers. We pick up handfuls of sand and throw it while someone takes a picture. Sometimes the pitchers catch the blast early or too late, but when they work, they do look magic. It's tons of fun. And last, but not least, if you happen to be on a singing dune, such as the Kelso Dunes in California, you might hear them boom. The humidity affects the sound a lot, so if it's rained recently, there won't be any booming or singing. But if they're dry enough, sliding or even walking down the dune can create a deep resonant sound that vibrates through the desert. Listen to this clip where a couple walks down the dune toward me, and you'll hear what it sounds like. I've got to tell you, my camera doesn't quite do it justice in this clip. It's something that I hope you'll get to try for yourself someday.
That was amazing. Yes.
Sand dunes are much more than a heap of sand. They're beautiful and fascinating geologic features. Built and shaped by wind, they're always changing. They have an incredible variety of forms, from crescents to longitudinal lines or star-shaped. If you would like to draw a picture of a sand dune, I made 2 worksheets that have step-by-step instructions. Click on the link in the video description to download either of those. Thank you again for watching, and a huge thank you to all my wonderful patrons who are supporting this channel on Patreon. The physical world is made from the periodic table of elements, and Science Mom is made of support from patrons like you. If you'd like to become a member and join us, you'll be supporting the science outreach I do in my school visits, and you'll also get additional worksheets and educational materials to download. Check it out at patreon.com/JennyBalliff.